Hey guys, and welcome back to another Cedar Kings video where we continue to build the fastest pergolas on YouTube. One thing that I forgot to mention in my last video was that you can tell how fast we build these pergolas by checking the timestamp. For every 1 second that the time lapse goes on is a real-time minute. So this build in particular, this time lapse is a minute and 23 seconds. So this build took us an hour and 23 minutes to build. And that format will stay consistent through every upload that I continue to put on this channel. So just keep that in mind if you're ever wondering how fast we actually build these pergolas. I'm not just claiming we build the fastest pergola on YouTube. We actually do. This build here, the customer was really happy, and it's always great to see the sheer surprise on the customer's face at how fast we build these things and how happy they are when it actually goes up. She was really happy with the smell of the cedar and just the aesthetic of everything, and I was really happy to be able to satisfy another customer. But that's all I have to say in this video. We'll have more videos being uploaded every other Monday, so just stay tuned for those. And if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.